In this video, we'll be looking at few key differences between an image layer and a pixel layer inside of Affinity, and we'll also look into the underlying concept of how image layer and pixel layer functions in Affinity. So without any further ado, let's get started. So to begin, on the left, you can see that we have an image layer, and on the right, we have a pixel layer. And in Affinity, image layers are similar or equivalent to smart objects. That is, when we place or introduce a new image inside of Affinity, Affinity automatically places that image inside of a container. So Affinity does this so that Affinity can protect the details or information of an image when we shrink the image to its lowest size possible and when we increase the image to its highest size possible. Similarly, pixel layers on the other hand works a bit differently. That is, Affinity treats an image inside of a pixel layer like an image being placed upon a canvas. This is the reason why we must always pre-plan on how our image size should be when we place an image inside of an Affinity if we want to work with the image in pixel layer. To demonstrate this, if we select the image on the left, you can see the replace image button being activated at the top contextual taskbar. So we can select replace image button and replace this particular image inside of the container with any other image. Let me deselect this image, and now if we select the image in our pixel layer, you can see that no other buttons called replace image is being displayed at our top contextual taskbar. That is because this particular image is a pixel layer. The next key difference is, let me go ahead and deselect the image. The next key difference is that in Affinity, let's select the image layer. Image layer in Affinity are mostly indicated by the icon of the image prior to its layer. As you can see here, we have an image icon in the image layer. So this particular icon represents or indicates that image layer, indicates that this image is image layer. While if we select the other image in the pixel layer, you can see that we have a checkerboard icon. So the checkerboard icon indicates that this image is a pixel layer. So let me go ahead and deselect both of the images. The next key difference is that to create or introduce an image layer, we can either drag and drop an image from external files or sources. We can either place an image directly to Affinity, or we can simply copy paste an image from external sources, and Affinity will automatically convert that particular image to image layer. On the other hand, to create or introduce a pixel layer in Affinity, all we can do is select an image first and then navigate to the selection or rectangular mark it tool in our toolbar and make a selection first. And if we copy and paste it, then you can see Affinity has automatically pasted the copied portion of the image as a new pixel layer. So this is one way of introducing pixel layer in Affinity, and the other way of introducing pixel layer is simply navigating below to the layers panel and clicking on pixel layer icon, which will create a new blank pixel layer from start. So let me delete these two pixel layers that we have introduced or created. So let me select it and hit on delete. But before that, let me first of all deselect the selection by holding down the command key and press on D key. And now let's delete the pixel layer altogether by holding down the shift key and selecting both of the pixel layer and then hitting the delete key to delete them. So the next key difference is that we can convert an existing image layer inside Affinity to pixel layer, and we can convert the pixel layer inside of Affinity to image layer. So to demonstrate that, let's click on image layer first, and to convert an image layer to pixel layer, all we can do is navigate to the layers panel right here, right click on the layer and click or select rasterize. Now you can see that our icon of image layer has changed to pixel layer, our pixel icon, which indicates that the image has been converted to pixel layer. Similarly, to convert a pixel layer to image layer, let's select the pixel or the image at the pixel screen right here. Let's navigate and select the move tool and make the selection of the image at the pixel layer. And after that, let's right click on the image and select convert to image resource. So this will convert a pixel layer image into image layer in Affinity. As you can see, it is being indicated by the icon of the image in the image layer at the layers panel right here. So we can convert this particular image layer again to pixel layer by simply right clicking on the image layer and selecting rasterize. And now it is converted back. As you can see, it is being indicated by the pixel icon right here. And to convert the rasterized image back to its original image layer form, let's select the image first and then right click on the image and then select convert to image resource. So this will convert our pixel layer back to its image layer. So these are the basic key differences between image layer and a pixel layer in Affinity that are essential. If you find this video helpful, please click on the like button, and to get more tips and tricks related to Affinity, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching this video and see you on the next video.